Hello guys, it's a girl Blessing, and today is a beautiful and amazing day. Yes, it is. I'm glad to have you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time coming to my channel, you're welcome. I'm excited to have you on board. Please kindly hit the subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber and viewer, thank you for always sticking around with my channel. Yes, so story day grant today. Like you know, this channel is about educating the mind, the body, the spirit, and the soul, and making us to live healthy. So any gist where I hear it will better for anybody with this channel, I will always bring it on board. I'm proudly Nigerian. That's why I mix my English with small pidgin. So in case if I even make mistake for the English, you're gonna say nobody else originate. I'm not boro. Okay, yes. So right now I'm going to be doing part 1, introduction to the topic. Then I'll do the topic proper, and we'll do the parts as time goes on. So today I'm going to be introducing to the topic. A lot of women go through a lot of challenges. I've personally experienced it. Thank God for healing, and thank God to my amazing brother that is a nurse that taught me 1 or 2 things about this very hurting woman problem. And the problem is about endometriosis. Come close. Endometriosis, yes, I said it. Endometriosis. Endometriosis has caused so many issues even in marriages, and a lot of people don't know about it. Recently I reached out to somebody that have influence and mentioned it that I think this topic should be dealt with. What I thought about it, I don't have to have all the views in the world to actually make the little impact I can make. So that's why I'm taking this space that I have to talk about the word endometriosis. So if you want to know more about endometriosis, endometriosis that have caused the wahala that's given women, kindly stay for part 2. Right now I'm going to jump into part 2. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye. See you in part 2. Hello, welcome to the part 2. It's still your girl Blessing, and we're still on this journey. If you are a returning viewer, returning subscriber, you're welcome. I'm excited to have you on board, and if this is the first time, welcome. Please kindly hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So without much ado, I'm just going to jump right into the topic. Today we're talking about endometriosis. A lot of women, this is a strange word. A lot of women, this is not. Endometriosis is a disorder in our tissue that is similar to the lining of our uterus. Yes, this is it's a tissue-like stuff. I'm not a medical student, but from my research and from experience, that's what I'm bringing awareness, so that even the medical personnel, please, can take it up and create more awareness about this issue that women are facing. I believe you should trust God for healing, but I'm just going to create awareness because I realize a lot of females are suffering and it's causing issues in a lot of marriages. Endometriosis occurs when the endometrial like tissue, the lining of your uterus is called endometrium. Yes, the lining of your uterus is called endometrium. So endometriosis occurs when the tissue like the endometrium or endometrial like tissue grows outside of your ovaries, your bowel, and your pelvis, the tissue lining around your pelvis. Yes, so it's possible for this tissue line to grow outside of the pelvis. It's not impossible. It's very possible for it to grow outside of your pelvis. It can grow to other parts of your body, but majorly is a tissue like stuff lining that grows outside of the ovaries or the bowel. So After defining endometriosis, we are going to talk about the causes of endometriosis. Okay, cause of endometriosis. The major cause of endometriosis have not been found. In fact, the medical people never discover them. Some believe it's hormonal, some believe it's hereditary, some believe it's anything that could cause endometriosis. While they are still searching for the cause of this problem, please let us help ourselves. Or endometriosis can cause major issues to we as women. One striking issues endometriosis causes in women, and a lot of people, a lot of doctors, a lot of times when you go and tell them, oh, I'm feeling menstrual cramp, I'm feeling this, I'm feeling that, they'll think it's fibroid, as they say it's fibroid, or they'll tell you it's PID because they have similar symptoms, similar way of behaving, but not discovering or treating the underlying issue. I would still find time to testify, to talk about my experience, and also testify about how God healed me on this channel. But for this is just to educate. So, and the one major issue or problem endometriosis gives to women is infertility. It reduces the possibility of a woman. It's not that it's impossible for a woman with endometriosis to give birth, but the chances are very slim. Then endometriosis also causes irritation around the pelvis. Irritation around the pelvis. It also causes severe pain during and in between menstrual cycle. You could feel pains from the back here down to your entire leg and all of that. That's another, like sharp pains, drawing pains, pains around the hips, heavy pains, heavy menstrual flow, like you'll be seeing things coming out, boom, 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 heavy clots of blood coming out. You could feel adduction, in which the tissue binds your pelvic organs together. Then a lot of women also that are married have, even doing research, I found out that they feel pains when they are in the other room. They feel pains when they are in the other room. A lot of women feel pains when they are in the other room. I've already to go and block me. Feel pain in the other room when they are in the other room. So that's what endometriosis causes. It's not a funny experience at all. It's not a funny experience. I don't pray this for anybody. Symptoms of endometriosis includes painful periods. Like I've said before, you feel a lot of cramps. Some people get admitted, even leads to admission. Some people have to be in the hospital all through the period where they are menstruating, heavy menstrual bleeding. Some people run for 7 days. I remember when I used to run for 7 days. Glory to God, I'm healed. I remember when I used to run for 7 days. I failed. I'm smiling now, but it's not something to joke about. When you see women going through those pains, it's painful. I feel their pain every time I pray for them and I join my faith to them. Pain during sexual intercourse, discomfort, you feel a lot of discomfort with bowel movements. It is well. Women, I hail thee. You feel lower back pain during your menstrual cycle, down to your leg, people rolling, and all of that. So, after saying all this, I'm now going to go into the treatment, which is the third part. And I'm going to be dwelling a little bit more on this because I'm going to be dealing with 2 ways you will treat. See you in the next video.